Welcome to JRE. Run Java programs anywhere. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without JRE, Java code would need rewriting for each operating system. How does Java run on any computer? Java code won't run directly. OS-specific code is complex. Portability is lost. JRE provides the runtime environment to execute Java programs anywhere. How is JRE used in the real world? Run Java apps. Execute compiled Java programs. Desktop applications. Run software on user computers. Server deployment. Host Java web applications. JRE powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without JRE? Running Java programs without a runtime environment. Look at how messy the code gets. No bytecode execution. Missing libraries. Platform dependent. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. JRE. Look how clean the code is now. Runs Java anywhere. No compilation needed. Built-in libraries. Compare the difference. And that is why we use JRE. Let's see how to implement JRE in code. Here is the implementation. Define class. Create a Java class. Main method, entry point for JRE. Print statement, output text to console. Run with JRE. Execute compiled bytecode. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What does JRE stand for in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is JRE equals Java Runtime Environment. What is the main purpose of JRE? Which one is correct? The correct answer is JRE executes compiled Java bytecode. Which component is not part of JRE? Which one is correct? The correct answer is JAVAC is part of JDK, not JRE. What happens without JRE? Which one is correct? The correct answer is JRE needed to execute compiled Java programs. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.